Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. It's been a minute since I've been on Instagram, but I thought I'd come on and share this amazing video with you guys. Today is my day off from work. It's about 40 miles from where I live. I'm on the hunt for a waterfall. I've never been here before, just me, myself, and I thought I'd just come and explore. I'm nearly at 1 million steps. I've got roughly around about just less than 10 days to go to smash my second challenge, which is 1 million steps. So I thought I'd get some steps in today. And if you're new to my Instagram, I am raising £10,000, which will contribute towards a smart water village in association with Human Appeal. It will be an amazing transformation for people to provide water for life. £35, just £35 will provide one person for water for life, inshallah. So if you can do me a massive favor, if you're watching this, is please click on the link in my bio, donate as much as you want. Can be £1, can be £100, can be £1,000. We're nearly at the £5,000 mark, so if we can hit that, that'll be amazing. Like I said, the 1 million step challenge will be completed soon, and then inshallah the biggest challenge of my life will be climbing Mount Everest Base Camp. We will be departing towards Mount Everest Base Camp at the end of November, inshallah. Stay tuned for that. Anyway, that's all to come, inshallah. Today it's all about the waterfall. Let me take you guys and show you this beautiful waterfall. It's called Reekie Lynn, so Google that. Finally made it to Reekie Lynn, and let me take you guys to this amazing waterfall. I've never been here myself, but I'm very excited to show you guys. Very excited to see myself. I absolutely love waterfalls. So guys, that was the waterfall. Beautiful. It's not far at all from the car park. It's literally like 2-minute walk. But now my mission is to get to the bottom. There was a woman who went past with her dog, and I asked her, I said, is there any way of getting down? She's like, no way, you can't get down. I did see a video on YouTube of a guy explaining how to get right down, but literally, so let me just turn the camera around and I'll explain it to you. So you've got this top path here, and literally it's cliffs down there. You stumble, you fall, you're gone. So I need to get from up here all the way down there somehow. So inshallah, plan is to get down there somehow. If I do get down there, then I'll show you guys the beautiful waterfall from down there. If I don't, then it's going to be a mission for next time. I can't upload the video, sorry, I meant to say I can't play that video that I watched on YouTube with the guy telling me how to get down there, because I don't have any phone signal here. And it's quite stupid of me. I should have told my family, my brothers, where I am. But inshallah, I read the dua of traveling, safe traveling, so Allah's going to protect me 100%. Wow, subhanallah, look at the view. Amazing, look at the view. And there we have it, finally a full shot of the beautiful Reekie Lynn Waterfall in Scotland. Subhanallah, look at that. Right guys, I could not get to the bottom of the waterfall because I don't know where it is, to be honest. So I can't get a signal, I can't watch that video, so I'm going to come back again. It's not far, like I said, it's about 40 minutes drive from where I live, so I will attempt to come back inshallah and go down to the waterfall. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please donate, link is in the bio. We're nearly at £5,000. It'd be amazing if we can hit £10,000 by November, just before I leave for Mount Everest Base Camp, inshallah. Keep me in your duas. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Take care until the next adventure. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.